Developing neuroplasticity and developing new habits is like playing a game. At the beginning of every level, you need to follow a specific set of instructions to achieve a goal and get a corresponding reward. Once you get the hang of what you need to do, you would face challenges of increasing difficulty. Of course, the only difference is that you are doing these challenges in real life. Just like in any computer game, it is up to you on whether you would give up or not when you fail to achieve your goal. However, the more often you practice during activities that you want to develop into habits, the better your brain will perform in allowing you to do them without difficulty. You would also realize that you would be able to automatically pick up other habits that would enable you to work on goals that you have been consistently hitting more efficiently. While your brain is resilient enough to reconfigure itself from you to hit your goals better, you can help make the entire process of neuroplasticity happen faster if you do activities that are designed to do just that. By exercising your brain and training it to achieve helpful habits more efficiently, and you'll get plenty of activities in the next chapter, you will be able to improve your cognition and pick up new skills in no time. In the next module, I'll show you all the steps that you need to take to make your brain more flexible when it comes to adopting better habits and help you get the skills you need to achieve your goals.